Call this meeting to order. Good afternoon. The goal of the hearing today is to find out and understand what happened with the Metro Gang Strike Force and determine where we go from here to ensure that this can never happen again.
What we saw was an organization that, in our view, did not clearly have a strategy towards prosecution. Now, we recognize that sometimes it may be an effective law enforcement strategy dealing with gangs to simply go out and make their lives difficult, to take their stuff, get them off the street for some period of time. But ultimately, it was our view that the longer-term, more effective strategy would be to try to prosecute people, particularly organizers of gangs, and get them off the street for a longer period of time. From what we saw, again, in the evidence, in the documentation, we didn't see a strong connection between the work of the Gang Strike Force and efforts at prosecution.
The question that I have to ask is was this just police procedures run amok? Or could you tell me, in your opinion, are there definite crimes that were committed as a result of this?
Mr. Lugar.
Well, with respect to the question about crimes, what I've said publicly is if you take something, whether you're a police officer or not, if you take a piece of property that is not yours, you know it's not yours, and you know it belongs to somebody else, and you take it home for your personal use, that is a crime. We believe that went on here. Whether other activity that we found constitutes a crime or not is really something for the FBI and the United States attorneys and any other prosecutor's office that looks at this to determine. I can tell you it's beyond bad police procedures.